vacation to in village with them families, and then here we 5 brothers, Oret Malora. So we have mission to work, prayer, and serve the community, especially in the life community. So we hope Father Christian enjoy to take the time
Sa pupil.
for all time here, and we are
Father Freddy sa pupil dia.
then you coming here. So thank you very much for coming here. And next time, after you eat, maybe you can tell us or to tell your experience, maybe little, so that you. But I just try to speak because this is special for you, and that the grid. So that is special for you. So that is not perfect, but we very